Hi guys, it's Micah. Today I'm back with Whimsy Stamps Fan Month. It's number 15, Adopt, Don't Shop Cats this time, and here's the card that I made. So for it, of course, I used the Whimsy Stamps set, Adopt, Don't Shop. I already stamped it on perfect coloring paper, I think it was. And I'm going to color it with my tri-blend markers. First I'm making the background by ink blending Distress Oxides. This time I use distress inks a lot, and I'm masking off a strip in the card, and I'm looking, it doesn't look straight, but it is. Just don't know, my card base I think is not straight. And I'm using speckled egg, faded jeans on top, and broken china. So I'm making kind of a gradation, but with the darkest bit in the middle, because I thought otherwise the cats would just cover it up a lot. Maybe broken china would have been enough. The speckled egg, I'm not sure I like it that much in this card, to be honest, but yeah, I wanted a gradient, so I chose speckled egg. Gotta live with it. And then in the middle, broken china. And I'm sorry, my desk wasn't, well, stood against the windowsill, so it kept moving a little bit. It's a bit wobbly. I'm sorry if that happens. I thought when I was blending it was moving a lot, but I'm not sure. You can see it in the video. On top I'm putting this Craft in Motion stencil, but you can use any that you have. I thought I would look like a bit of a retro wallpaper. I liked it, and I'm putting it sideways because it might fit better. For it I'm using faded jeans. Yeah, cause I was looking at the middle from the top and the bottom, but not the left and right, so it's still not centered. But it doesn't really matter. And I contemplated coloring the white bits between the cats in. I don't have a speckled egg marker, and even if I had, I can't do the wallpaper either, so I just left it white. And then I'm stamping the sentiment from the same set, and it says I was normal 2 cats ago, which I guess is kind of right. And here's I look at my grid and it doesn't look straight. But I don't know what I've done, so I mean I'm using the edges of the card on purpose, but yeah, the grid might not be straight either. I don't know, it doesn't matter. And there's quite a few sentiments in the set that says best things in life are rescued, congratulations, second-hand animals make first-class pets, first class pets, adopt, don't shop, soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur, which is funny. I would have wanted to use that. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr purr purr, which is of course part of the same song. Happy birthday, from the whole kitten caboodle, rescue mama, prevent the litter, fix your critters. I'm not sure. I would send a card for that. And I'm doing a rainbow group of cats because I thought there might be plushies. So I will turn on the music, leave you with the coloring. I only added it with some tape on it to the card base, and then I splattered Fine Tech Gold and I smeared some of the drops. I kinda ruined it, I think, but anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm not asked to do these videos, I'm not paid to do them videos, and I'm not sponsored, anything like that. I just do it for the love of the brand. You might notice, or I've said it a few times. There's a playlist in case you join us somewhere midway, and there's a link to the Whimsy shop, which is an affiliate, and if you shop through that link you don't pay extra, but I earn a little commission. I think it's 3%, which helps to support the channel. And what also helps is if you subscribe, share, like, comment, and maybe click the icon of the bell so you get notified, what is it, tomorrow, for new Whimsy stamps. Thank you for watching, I'll see you again soon. Bye.